In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook storage full. If you've been seeing warnings that your mailbox is at capacity or emails are bouncing back, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to check what's taking up space and clear it safely. Start by launching Outlook on your device. This could be the desktop app, the new Outlook, or Outlook on the web. The layout can vary a bit, but the options we'll use are named the same or very similar across versions, so follow along and adapt to what you see on your screen. Next, head to Settings, which is the gear icon, usually in the upper right corner. Click it to open the Settings panel. If a quick panel appears, look for a link to view all Outlook settings so you can get to the full list of options. From there, go to Accounts. This is where account-level preferences live, including storage details. If you don't immediately see Accounts, use the Settings search box and type Accounts or Storage to jump straight to the right section. Now click Storage. Here, Outlook on the web gives you a clear snapshot of your current usage. This is important because it shows you which limit is actually causing the problem: your main mailbox, your archive, or other areas. Take a moment to review the usage bars and any folders that are called out for taking significant space. Knowing what's full helps you clean up with purpose, not guesswork. Let's start with the quickest wins: empty deleted items and junk. Messages in these folders still count against your quota until they're permanently removed. Open each folder and empty it. If your version has an empty folder option when you right-click, use that. Keep in mind that the storage meter may take a minute to update, so give it a little time before rechecking your status. Next, go to your inbox or sent items and use the filter menu. Choose Sort By, then select Size. Sorting from largest to smallest brings the biggest space hogs to the top. Open oversized emails, save any attachments you need to your computer or cloud storage, and then delete the messages you no longer require. After deleting, remember they move to deleted items, so return there and empty that folder again to free the space for real. When you're done, go back to the storage view to confirm your usage has dropped. Repeat the large message cleanup if you still need more room. That's it. Clean, simple, and effective.